Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. And recently we are talking about the open equal to low and open equal to high. So we normally doing opposite to open low and open high. So one day ago we are taken the open high and open low, and the next day if it is broken the high or low, we are going to take a trade. So that was working good. And today's trade we got only one stock, which is only one stock we got today on by scalper buy, that is what IGL. So let's try to see that IGL how it is performed today, and let's take IGL on daily chart. Let's say daily the yesterday high is 358.9 and we got that alert around 916. The only one stock which is giving you the entry around 916, and that alert got triggered at 360.8. As per our telegram alert, it is 360.8. But this is what we are talking about, the gap up and gap down. So by 916 itself, when the market is moving above the gap up and gap down, it is already opened above the highest price. So yesterday's high is 358.90 and today market is started by 359.90, but the algorithm will send you the alert because the price is above to the highest price. That's why it's sending to alert around 360.8. But if you see that, if you are waiting for a 5 minutes, the market is coming to the highest price after sometimes later around 358.7. So that is what yesterday's high 300 let's see, wait, around 24th. This is the day where it is started. The first candle itself, the high, yesterday's high is broken, but if you have waited for some times, the high is triggered after or the next candle itself. So if you know where to take a entry, it is around 360.7, sorry, 358.1. So let me check it in a daily chart. You will getting clear. 58.90 is the highest price. In 5 minutes we got an alert around 916, and if you are waiting, so 358.90, so where the market is reaching after around 930 level. So that time we may try to take a entry whenever you got the stock is opened above the gap up. So even 358.9 is our entry point, but we are going to take a 360.8 is almost 1 rupee above because of the scalping trade. So we are not going to miss higher profit. But even though the stock is worked good, so how many of them are making a profit? All the best. And another comment where someone who made on weekly basis how that stock, I thought that comment which I find out was NTPC, I think. Let me try it out, what's the stock he made a profit. So it's good enough to make one, it's going to make a profit using the method. So it is very happy. So you will get some opportunity. I think that stock is Crompton. It's based on the weekly. So Crompton Greaves on weekly basis he done modification on weekly basis. Let's say the weekly basis previous week is the open high week, the price which is 337, and that was broken, now it is 346. If you are taking a longer the time frame, it will take you have to wait for a more profit or bigger profit, but it took a more time, like a positional trades. It's not for an intraday. Maybe intraday he made a profit, so good, but if you are making a positional trade, so you should focus on, if I go for a daily, so where should be your highest price? So let's we first we mark the highest level, which is around 337. That is happening by last Friday close. So we have to focus the stocks from Monday to Friday, the next week. So means this is happening at last week, that is the 13th of June, the candle which is forms open high, and we have to focus from 13th the closing price and 20th to 24th. So we are going to focus 20th to 24th, where there is a high is broken, there is a possibility where we are going to make a chances. At this point, this is what a high 337. Let me go for a daily chart. Today only there is an entry around 337.2. That may be our 10 paisa 20 paisa buffer from that entry point. This is what the high weekly 337. When today it is broken around 337, it went up to 346.5. Almost 10 rupees is generated. But if you see, there is a big stop loss for the trade also, because if we are going to make the weekly low, means we are taking a risk of a big, and it's not suitable for intraday. But if you are sometimes if it is triggers and it is bounced down, or if it is returned back, means we have to face a big risk. But intraday daily time frame may be good, but weekly also we can focus for a positional kind of trade. That is also working like this, and whatever the amount you can able to take a risk, that kind of thing you can do. So the same thing, so how we can create on weekly basis, simply you have to change that weekly, uh, that means 1 week ago. Again here you have to change 1 week ago, here also go to change 1 week ago. This should be a whatever the thing. So let us to close whatever you can mention it, okay, because we are focusing for the closing price, the current price which is going to cross. So let me try it out. So let's see the Crompton Greaves would be the stock, and if you go to check previous thing, it is a weekly basis, and recently around 2nd June, that is Ind copper. So it is not happening today. 2nd June it is crossed Ind copper. Let's check it out on weekly basis. This is what a weekly chart, where we are going to 2nd June, this one. So here, sorry, wait, 2nd June, wait, we'll check it out. 2/6 entry is from this one. This is closed by 2nd. Okay, on the daily time frame, but this is the day, and 30th May happened here. Just we'll check it out. 1 week ago close open equal to 1 week ago high. Let us close crossed above 1 week ago high. This is happening on date where it is 2/6. That means 6th month. Going to on the game. You are watching a weekly chart. This is the open high at 100 rupees. Okay, okay. 30th May. It started by 30th May and closed by, yes, right. So because we are using a 1 week ago, that should be open high, means whatever the date it's showing. So that second of the day where the close is crossed. But this is the exact week where this was the previous week, the open equal to high. And this high is broken on 2nd of this month. So let me mark that level, and this should be the level, and it is broken on 2nd. If you are using a daily chart, you will be getting the idea. So let's see, this is what a 2nd. Okay, 30th May. Then how would be getting 2nd 6? How does you want that? No? 6. This high should be this one. This is the high, right? 104 weekly high. Yeah, this is the entry point. I think I don't know where I made a mistake. Date which is crossed above 2/6. Let me change it. Crompton. Today it is happening. Okay, okay, sorry. Weekly. So simple. The week one, previous week we are mentioning on that, and the next week at any point of the day where the high is broken, there should be an entry. So here around 100 rupees is the previous high. When it is broken 100 on the day of 30th May is the week started on the June contract. So when it is moved somewhere around maximum of 108, almost more than 8-9%, which is increased after breaking the weekly high, right? Same like that we can create for a weekly low, and once a weekly low is broken, so let me change the simple thing. So open equal to low, so we have to use, there is a low, and here we are going to use less than, not less than is crossed below, and we are going to mention a low. Simple changes. It's a simple code where we can use some good opportunity from that code. So if I run the scan, so we will back test. It's a weekly, not, it is not weekly, so we will use for a weekly and weekly and weekly. If it is using weekly, so around the 16th June, JSW Steel. Let's check 16th June, JSW. So I think it's showing a Thursday dates. So this week there is an entry from 13 to 17, and previous week 6 to 10 there is an opportunity. Right? Let's check JSW Steel. What happened in JSW Steel? In the weekly chart, we are going to check it out. Where it is a weekly? Here. 6th June, there is a weekly time 6 to 10. This will be the weekly low around 553, and the next week it is broken down 553 to 539. So there is an opportunity where we can make some good profit in 1 or 2 days. So that is what we use that scanner. So you can try with different ideas and logic. If you are finding any ideas, you can mention. Those who are making a profit using this method, I would be happy for that. And thanks for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like it, just like the video, and if you have any questions or a comment, just comment on the comment box. And by next, so we will plan for a next trade, next kind of kind of strategy we are planning to that. And I have a new course which I suitable for intraday option trading. But first I am going to premiere with my advanced option strategy students only. So once after the class, live class, so we are going to do the trading on live with the group. So once it is done, and I let you share the feedback and other things, then we can plan for a next batch like that. So don't ask me those who are student that classes which I designed about. Those the student who already finished my advanced strategy, because they know very well about the basics, and also the strategies they know. And simple strategy only I'm going to plan on that. So I'm not going to complicate anything. I'm not going to use any indicator, any other thing on that. So simply I'm going to do it. So I hope this may be another useful video. So you can create whatever the logic you want. So this is what the key thing. So you can change whatever the time frame. So let's go for a hourly chart also. We can do it with the 1 hour. So just go for a minus candle. Just going to take 1 hour candle again. If you want to take 1 hour, so not 75 minutes, it's 1 hour. So -1. Again here you see change 1 hour. So you can save and change it as per your requirement. So just do that. This is what I open equal to low on previous candle. That low should be broken on the next candle. That should be the sell opportunity. Let's try to check it out on 1 hour time frame, or let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. So we didn't find out any stock, and let's see today 12:15, and can you see 11:15. So this would be the two stocks where we get today for a selling side, and this is happening by 3:15, so not suitable for trade. And this one is happening by 11:15 today. Idea, oh my god, it's a very cheap stock. Don't go for that. And the next one should be someone different, APLLT. So let's go for a 16-minute chart where it is happening at what point? 12:15. This should be open high 12:15. Just go for that. What we are mentioning here, open equal to low. So this candle, entry candle, 12:15 is the entry candle. Previously it made a low of 725. This candle it broken 725 and it gives you 4 rupees. Right, again there is a open high around 722.55. After that next candle it is broken, and it moves in 2 hours around 727. Small kind of profits where it is generated from this logic. I hope you understand what exact logic it is. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.